What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Madison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this brand new arrival 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is a show quality cruiser with a good amount of power up front. You got a big block. It's got all types of goodies done to it. Headers, everything. 4-barrel intake manifold, RPM air gap. MSD ignition, 700 R4 transmission, aluminum radiator. This car is a treat. US mag wheels. Interior's in great shape. You got these custom bucket seats in here, which I think personally look awesome. Grant steering wheel, working horn, B&M shifter. Blau punked radio. Great car. Just beautifully done. Look at that paint. This paint job is just beautiful. Beautiful blue color. Look at those stripes. They got a pearl to them. I'm going to do a walk around, show you guys the trunk. Then we're going to wrap this up. Let's take this key out here. And let's have another game of which key fits the trunk. It's my favorite game. Trunk, great shape. Really simple back here, nothing, just a trunk mat. Nonetheless, just great shape. Everything's good under the trunk mat, looks great. And the trunk closes nicely. The gaps on this car lines up great. Looks like this car's never been in a fight. All the glass is in great shape. This hood, before I close the hood, I'm going to show you. You got 4-wheel disc brakes. Willwood, master cylinder, booster. Everything you could ever ask for in a nice car like this. Hood closes nicely. Nice cowl hood on her. Looks mean. Let's move into the interior one more time. Then I'm going to wrap this up. Your door panels, really simple. They didn't want to modify this car's appearance too much. It's tastefully done. You got your mile per hour gauge and your RPM gauge. You got a switch up here, cigarette lighter, clock, temperature, fuel gauge volts. Then you got a switch right here. Block off plate for the vents. Just a great looking car. These seats are comfortable. Very, very comfortable, might I add. I'm gonna put the key back in the ignition. I just love how this car feels, how it sounds, and how it drives. Dual exhaust, 2.5 inch. If you're interested in this car, you can visit mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 250 cars in our warehouse. This is just one of the warehouses here. We have something for everyone, and we get new stuff in every day. So if we don't have something for you yet, which I'm sure we do, we will have it eventually. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. You can call our number, 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. Remember to like the YouTube channel or subscribe to it and like the video. Stay tuned on the website and stay tuned on the YouTube channel because we get new inventory in almost every day and you don't want to miss a thing. Again, my name is Mr. Jenkins and it's been a pleasure showing you this showpiece of a car. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.